In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a board in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old projects, removing test boards, or just organizing your workspace, knowing how to properly delete a board is essential. I'll also show you what happens after deletion and how to restore a board if you change your mind. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't accidentally lose important data. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Monday.com account and go to the workspace where your board is located. From the left-hand sidebar, find and click on the board that you want to delete. Make sure you're opening the correct board, especially if you have multiple boards with similar names. Once you click on it, the board will load in the main view area. Now that you have the board open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a three-dot menu icon. This is the board menu where you can access additional settings and options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your board settings. Scroll down through the list until you find the option that says Delete Board. It's usually located toward the bottom of the menu, so take a second to carefully look for it. Once you see Delete Board, click on it. After clicking Delete Board, Monday.com will ask you to confirm your decision. This is an important step because deleting a board removes all of its groups, items, updates, and data. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. If you're absolutely certain, click the Delete button in the confirmation window. As soon as you confirm, the board will be removed from your workspace view. But here's something very important to know. The board is not permanently gone right away. Monday.com moves deleted boards to the recycle bin, where they stay for 30 days. If you deleted the board by mistake or need to recover information from it, you can restore it from the recycle bin within that 30-day period. To access the recycle bin, go to the left sidebar and look for the trash or recycle bin option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of recently deleted boards and items. Find the board you want to restore, select it, and choose the restore option. The board will then be returned to your workspace with its data intact. This safety feature is extremely helpful, especially when working in large teams where boards may be deleted accidentally. However, if 30 days pass and the board is not restored, it will be permanently deleted from Monday.com's system. So if there's any chance you might need that data again, make sure to restore it before the 30-day window expires. One quick tip before we wrap up, make sure you have the proper permissions to delete a board. In many Monday.com workspaces, only board owners or admins can delete boards. If you don't see the Delete Board option in the menu, you may need to contact your workspace admin for access. And that's it. That's exactly how you delete a board in Monday.com. Confirm the deletion and restore it if needed. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can confidently manage and clean up your workspace. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Monday.com tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.